Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious whipped cream icing, step by step. We will start by gathering our simple ingredients: 1 cup of very cold heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. It is super important to make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are thoroughly chilled. This small step makes a huge difference in achieving that perfect, stable consistency for your icing. Now let us get to the fun part: whipping. Pour your 1 cup of very cold heavy cream into the chilled bowl. Start your mixer on a medium-low speed. This helps to slowly incorporate air without overmixing too quickly. As the cream begins to thicken, gradually increase the speed to medium-high. Keep whipping until you see soft peaks forming, which means the cream holds its shape slightly but still has a gentle curl. With your soft peaks formed, it is time to add the sweetness and flavor. Slowly sprinkle in the 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar while the mixer is still running. Then, pour in the 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Continue whipping on medium-high speed. You are looking for stiff peaks, where the cream holds its shape firmly when you lift the whisk, without any drooping. Be careful not to overwhip, or it could turn grainy. Your beautiful whipped cream icing is now ready. For the absolute best texture and flavor, I recommend using it immediately. If you happen to have any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. This delicate icing is truly at its peak when consumed within 24 hours. Always remember to serve it chilled to maintain its lovely, airy consistency. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.